Welcome to the in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to turn off the always on display feature on this device. So first we should open the Movies Edge application here and just click here to the settings icon and tap on the always on display section. Just to turn off AOD here, tap once on the switcher and you'll see that all of the settings are blocked right now. And now we can see that we just turned off our AOD feature in Movies Edge application on our Motorola G71 5G. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.